Namaste. My name is Nikhilesh and I teach artificial intelligence and large language models in a very simple language. So today we'll talk about semantic search. So what is semantic search? There are two kinds of searches. One is keyword based search and other is semantic search. In the previous chapter, if you remember, we learned about retrieval augmented generation where we retrieved from our vector database based on the query, right, from the vector embeddings. Now that retrieval can be keyword based or can be semantic. Semantic means similar words. Let's understand this more. So what is a keyword search? When we search with this query what color is the grass and we have this data set, so what it will do, it will go and search the maximum number of common words. So with tomorrow is Saturday, there is only one common word, which is the grass is green has three common words. The capital of Canada is Ottawa, has only two, and so on. So the maximum number of common words is with this sentence, the grass is green, and it will retrieve this particular sentence. So for example, if in keyword search, if I search by the term happy, it will only bring the content that has happy in it, but it will not bring that content which is similar to happy, like pleasant, like delighted, satisfied. It will not bring that content. So and for that reason we need semantic search. So how does keyword search work? Actually, we have a query based on the maximum number of keywords matching. It retrieves and then it ranks, and based on that rank it retrieves. But as we know, there are limitations of this keyword search. So we'll address what are the limitations, what so we'll understand what are the limitations of the keyword search, and we'll address these limitations through semantic search in the next video.